Good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Nutan Gupta sending the chapter conjunction 26th chapter. First we will discuss warm up. As you know, first I want to tell you what is the conjunction. A word that connect two or more words or two phrases or sentences is called conjunction. For example, the train is heavy, so the game will not be played. We are not going out to play because it's raining. She came first in the race, so she is very happy. I do not like pasta and I do not like pizza. So, we can frame the one sentence by these two sentences. I do not like the pizza and pasta. Mary has two brothers and six cousins. It's raining. So, take your umbrella. When Louis needs help, she calls his brother. I will take you along if you promise behave properly. I would rather read a book than watch television. Let us learn about the conjunction. Conjunction like for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so help you join the words, phrases or sentences. For example, connecting two words, we use and. Connecting two phrase, we can use or. Connecting two sentence, so we use so. What is the meaning of these conjunction? For, we will use for because. We went inside, for it was raining. And in addition to, we bought pencil, pen and eraser. And nor and not. Robbie does not eat pea, nor does eat carrot. But meaning however. I do not like pizza, but I like pasta. Or alternative, we can use for the alternative. You can have rasmalai or ice cream. Yet we use for but. He was unwell, yet he went to school. So, therefore, he went off to sleep, so we laughed. You can remember this conjunction by memorizing the acronym fanboys. This is the acronym. You can learn easily by these acronym. F for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet and S for so. This is the fanboys. Some more conjunction with their function have been given here. Conjunction since, meaning reason. Since he was not at home, I left the message with his brother. Since, we will use for time also. I have not spoken to him since he left. Until, we use for time. We stayed at the beach until it was dinner time. When, it will also use for time, whenever for time, while for time, because for reason. Although, contrast, although he was tired, she could not sleep. As for reason, where for place, unless condition, how manner, that result, after time, before time, why reason, whether for choice, if condition, so that means purpose.